Gastrovascular system is one of the identifying factors of which phylum? Gastrovascular system is present in a particular phylum. Can you say the name of the phylum?
Cnidaria. Cnidaria or Coelenterata.
Coelenterata.
That's why it is called the Coelenteron or Coelenterata. Another name Coelenterata. Cnidaria or Coelenterata. Okay. Acha, in the life cycle of Coelenterata or Cnidaria, two phase comes. That is, one is polyp and medusa. You have yesterday I told you, you have written also. Okay.
Umbrella.
Next, bioluminescence. Bioluminescence is characters of which phylum?
Sir, please repeat.
Ctenophora. Ctenophora, sir. Ctenophora.
Sir, Ctenophora.
Ctenophora.
So your voice is not
What is
clear, sir.
bioluminescence? Ability of the plant, the animal which produces light, and this is known as the bioluminescence, and it is one of the important characteristics of the phylum Ctenophora. And body is composed of complete, C-O-M-B, complete. It is one of the identifying characters
All mute
of the
yourself
phylum
and listen
Ctenophora.
carefully.
Next one, Porifera. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Porifera. Identifying characters, body is porous. That means presence of pore, presence of chanocytes. These are the identifying characters of Porifera. Okay. Next one, Platyhelminthes. Next new phylum. Today I will discuss about Platyhelminthes. Platyhelminthes. Okay. Platyhelminthes. Number one. Phylum Platyhelminthes, number one. Write down. Platyhelminthes, number one. Animals are commonly flat one. Animals are commonly known as flatworm. Flatworm. Next one. Animals are mostly endoparasite. Animals are mostly endoparasite. A few are free-living. Animals are mostly endoparasites. Endoparasites.
उसके बाद सर
Endoparasites. You have studied in class 10. The parasites are two types. One is ectoparasite, the parasite which are present outside the body, and the parasite present inside the body of the host. That is called endoparasite. So platyhelminth is mostly endoparasite, but while a few are free living. Next point. Animals are bilaterally symmetrical. Animals are bilaterally symmetrical. Bilaterally symmetrical. Bilaterally symmetrical. And body is triploblastic. Body is triploblastic. Written or not? Written.
Yes. Yes.
Body
Yes,
is
sir.
body is triploblastic. You will remember right from the Platyhelminthes phylum, all the phylum having triploblastic. Okay. Beginning from the phylum Platyhelminthes to Mammalia, that is triploblastic. But before Platyhelminthes up to Ctenophora, these are diploblastic. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Diploblastic. Okay. You will remember from Platyhelminthes onwards, all the animals having triploblastic animals. Okay. Next one. Animals are acylomate. Animals are acylomate. Animals are acylomate.
Spelling acylomate का?
Acylomate. SCOEL, coelom, coelom, only A, add A, coelom, spelling of coelom, then A, add A. Coelomate, acylomate, okay, absence of coelom, acylomate. Next one, the parasitic form provided, the parasitic forms provided hooks and suckers, hooks, HOOKS, hooks and suckers, SUCKERS, hooks and suckers, SUCKERS, hooks and suckers. Next one, phlegm cells are the excretory organ. Phlegm cells are the excretory organ. FLAME, phlegm cells are the excretory organ. Phlegm cells are the excretory organs.
Yes, sir.
Next point, animals are hermaphrodite. Animals are hermaphrodite and fertilization is internal. Internal fertilization and external fertilization, two types of fertilization. Can you say one animal where fertilization takes place externally? Example where the fertilization takes place externally.
Human life.
Frog.
Human, sir.
Frog. Sir,
Human
frog.
life. Human life.
Frog.
External fertilization, frog and
Frog.
fish. Frog
Sir,
and
frog.
Canna.
Sir, frog.
In
or
mammals.
frog?
Antigrina.
In mammals.
Sir,
in
frog
mammal.
and fishes.
Fishes ideal example where fertilization takes place externally. But
Yes.
fishes are
Canna.
type. One is the marine fish, another is that means freshwater fish. Particularly in case of the freshwater fish, where fertilization takes place externally. But in case of the marine fish, mostly internal fertilization occur. Okay.
Yes.
Next one. Example. Another example, another write down important characteristics. Planaria, you have heard the name. Planaria.
Yes, sir.
Planaria.
Planaria.
Planaria have the power of regeneration. Planaria have the power of regeneration.
Yes, sir.
Okay. हाँ पढ़े हैं क्लास 10th में आप लोग power
नहीं
of
पढ़े हैं।
regeneration, power of regeneration, planaria. And you know, can you so if animal cell having the regeneration power, it has the one important term that is called the pluripotency. The animal cell of suppose human being cell. Nowadays animal it experimented on animal also. The animal cell having the regeneration power. You have studied by means of the cloning. A sheep is also developed. Name of the sheep Dolly, but Dolly at
Yes,
present
sir.
no more.
Early.
The lungs died also. So a animal cell having the regeneration power, and this is called the pluripotency. But in case of the plant cell, you know, tissue culture is done by means of the exercise of the plant tissues or cells, and this is called the totipotency. TOTIPOTANCY. Totipotency. If the plant cell having the regeneration power, then it is called the totipotency. In case of the animal cell, it is called the pluripotency.
Sir.
Yes.
Hello.
हाँ,
Sir,
हाँ,
क्वेश्चन पूछना है।
ये- हाँ, पूछिए।
सर सिलिया फ्लेजेला में क्या डिफरेंस है? सिलिया फ्लेजेला में क्या डिफरेंस है? सिलिया फ्लेजेला में सर क्या डिफरेंस है?
Cilia short होता है, flagellum long होता है.
हाँ, सुनिए आप ही लोग जानते हैं, you know very well.
तो सीलिया
हाँ।
न्यूमरस अमाउंट में प्रेजेंट होता है, फ्लैजिला कम अमाउंट में प्रेजेंट होता है।
Why class offline class is very interactive. Okay, as you are not direct interaction is not going on, so many problems you are facing. I think that cilia flagella, so many students know what are the differences between cilia. Cilia means smaller in size, numerous in number, thread-like structure, present on the surface of the body, throughout the surface of the body. But flagella, size of the flagella longer, and pages, that means 1 or 2 present on the body surface. Okay, larger in size and fewer in number. In case of the
Oh.
cilia, smaller in size and numerous in number. Okay.
Sir, you understand, sir? Okay, thank you, sir.
Acha, next one. Okay. Next one. Example, you can write down tape 1.
Liver
Tape
flux.
1 and liver fluke. Tape 1. You have heard the name tape 1. Tape 1 and liver fluke. Liver fluke. Liver fluke. F-L-U-K-E. Liver fluke. So these are the characteristics. Again, I am recapitulating the
Sir,
characteristics.
please repeat the
The body.
examples.
Example, liver fluke. Liver. L-I-V-E-R. Liver fluke. Okay. Scientific name fasciola hepatica, but not able to remember. That's why only English name you write down.
Scientific
liver
name
fluke.
remember नहीं करना है.
Not necessary. Not necessary here, but if it is difficult. Okay, difficult.
Okay, sir.
हाँ सर, अपना तो भूल जाएंगे.
माता बच्ची क्यों करना है भाई जब इसमें इंग्लिश नेम है. But where it is necessary, whenever it will be necessary, that means at that time you can write the scientific name. That means in case of the taxonomy chapter, where scientific name is necessary. Okay, but here not necessary. Okay, next one. These characteristics, I'm again recapitulating the characteristics of the platyhelminthes: body flat, endoparasite, bilaterally symmetrical body, triploblastic animals. Next one, body acylomate, parasitic form which provided hooks and suckers. Hooks and suckers से क्या करता है? वो suck करता है उसमें host का body में. Suppose in our intestine, if tape 1 present, then they can suck the blood of our body. Okay, by means of the sucker. And the hook, the point of attachment, they can attach with the body surface. Okay, that is hooks as well as the suckers. Next, animals are hermaphrodite. Fertilization is internal, and flame cells are the cells which act as excretory organ. Okay, planaria have the high regeneration power. Example आपका tapeworm and liver fluke. Next, Aschelminthes. Aschelminthes. Next phylum, Aschel, A-S-C-H-E-L. Aschelminthes. Next phylum, Aschelminthes. Aschelminthes. Next phylum, Aschelminthes. Aschelminthes. Animals commonly known as roundworm. Animals are commonly known as roundworm. Commonly known as roundworm. Writing or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All the
Writing.
students are writing. Yeah, some of the students are writing.
No, all the students are writing.
All the
Writing.
Students are writing.
Writing. Priyanshu present at today. Priyanshu.
Yes, sir.
प्रियांशु है.
Pranjal.
Yes.
Present.
Yes,
Every
sir.
day. These are the today from tomorrow. That means from yesterday I have seen some name on the screen. That means these are dominating name. Priyanshu, Pranjal, and in case of the girls, I have, that means they are not able to remember the names. So again and again I am saying you, beginning of the session, very beginning of the session, be sincere. Okay. Biology is a subject. If you take interest, then it is one of the main subject. That means medical science is that means area of the medical science, vast area. अगर कोई स्टूडेंट सोचता है जो बायोलॉजी का बुक इतना वॉल्यूम है, हम इसको कैसे पढ़ेंगे? साइंटिफिक नेम है, बहुत याद रखना पड़ता है, रटना पड़ता है. दैट मीन्स वो माथा बच्ची कौन करेगा उसमें, बट इट इज नॉट ए मैटर. मैटर इज उस आप सब्जेक्ट को अगर अच्छा से आपका दिल से अगर ले लीजिएगा, ठीक से पढ़ना है तो कोई उसके लिए ये नहीं है. ठीक है, तो आज से आप लोग, आज से वेरी बिगिनिंग ऑफ द सेशन यू मस्ट सिंसियर अबाउट दिस सब्जेक्ट. इस सब्जेक्ट को हमारा सबसे मेन सब्जेक्ट में हम लेके उसको पढ़ेंगे. क्यों ना, एज यू आर द स्टूडेंट ऑफ द पीसीबी, biology is the main subject. Okay, physics, chemistry, all the present, but biology, that means, and as you know that biology generally scoring subject as compared to the physics and chemistry generally. But if you appearing for the NEET examination, the area of the syllabus is very vast. Okay, all of you
Yes,
will be
sir.
appearing the NEET examination or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Have you seen the syllabus of the that means
Yes, sir.
medical course? Vast
Yes,
area.
sir.
area.
The board from class 11 and 12.
But आप
अलग
एक
से
चीज
नहीं होता.
जान लो, एनसीईआरटी बुक को थोरोली पढ़ना जरूरी है. चाहे नीट एग्जाम, कोई भी एग्जाम, एनसीईआरटी बुक को एकदम थोरोली लाइन बाय लाइन अगर पढ़ोगे एनसीईआरटी बुक को, तो बोर्ड एग्जाम एज वेल एज द नीट एग्जाम में भी प्रॉब्लम ज्यादा कुछ नहीं है. ठीक है, बट डिमेरिट ऑफ द एनसीईआरटी बुक not explained proper way. That's why you have to consult the reference book. Okay.
Yes, sir.
एक लाइन लिख के छोड़
Yes, sir.
देता है एनसीईआरटी बुक में, और आपको उसका मीनिंग और उसके लिए आपको एक्सप्लेनेशन दूसरा बुक से खोजना पड़ता है. होता है कि नहीं जनरली?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
तो बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स होता है बुक.
स्टूडेंट्स, तो दैट्स व्हाई द रेफरेंस बुक मार्केट में इतना ज्यादा है और चल भी रहा है. तो अगर एनसीईआरटी बुक में सब कुछ अगर मिल जाता तो ये पब्लिशर्स बंद हो जाता. बाहर में जितना मॉडर्न ये दिनेश, चाहे ट्रूमैन और एबीसी बायोलॉजी, जितना सारा है ये सब बंद हो जाता. ठीक है, तो जनरली दैट मींस इट इज a vast area of medical examination, and again and again I'm saying as a biology teacher that you must sincere from the very beginning of the session. Okay, I several time, you know about me. Hello, you know about me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I am here for 25 years teaching in plus 2. Okay, so first of all, so my experience, I have seen the students very beginning of the session, they sincerity must see their sincerity in class 11. But whenever they shifted to class 12 or promoted to class 12, the sincerity losses. I don't think about reason behind it. So again, I'm saying, this is my request also, that for very beginning of the session, be sincere. This year, you are also unlucky, I am also unlucky that direct interaction is not going on. It is one of the demerit of the teaching. So offline teaching, whenever will be started, a proper way, that means a better way, you can understand, or this is also. But whenever we are taking classes in the school, and due to lockdown, we are taking class from the home. So whenever we are taking class from the schools where webcam, then no problem. As like the class teaching, at that time we are writing the blackboard, every point, every etc. You are also following every day nicely. But due to lockdown, again I am facing problem. You are also facing problem. Okay, so this is another aspect. But Askelmanthus, what am I? That means explaining with you the characteristics of the Askelmanthus. That is called the roundworm. Next point, write down. They may be free living. They may be free living. They may be free living. Terrestrial or aquatic. Terrestrial or aquatic. Terrestrial or aquatic. And parasitic of plants and animals. Parasitic on plants and animals. Parasitic on plants and animals. Next point. They have organ system level of organization. They have organ system level of organization. They have organ system level of organization. Next one. Body is bilaterally symmetrical. Body is bilaterally symmetrical and triploblastics. Triploblastic. They are pseudocoelomate. They are pseudocoelomate. They are pseudocoelomate. Next one. Alimentary canal is complete. Alimentary canal is complete with a mouth opening. With a mouth opening. Mouth opening. Next one. Animals are unisexual.
Sir, can you repeat the previous line?
Animals are unisexual. Unisexual means male and females are separate.
Sir, repeat the previous point. Sir, repeat the previous point. Yes, sir.
Alimentary canal is complete with a mouth opening. Alimentary canal is complete with a mouth opening. Elementary canal is complete with a mouth opening.
Thank you,
Next
sir.
one. Animals are unisexual. Animals are unisexual. Unisexual. Next point. Fertilization in internal. Fertilization is internal. Fertilization is internal. Example, Ascaris.
Roundworm.
Roundworm, Ascaris. Another is filarial worm. Can you say the scientific name of filarial worm?
Wucheria.
Filarial worm. Wuchereria.
Wuchereria.
Wuchereria
Wuchereria.
coli.
W-U-C-H-E-R-I-A. Wuchereria bankruptcy. Wuchereria, filarial worm. And filarial worm causes filaria, as you know, it is another name. It has another name, elephantiasis. Elephantiasis or
Yes,
filaria. पैर होता है हाथी जैसा मोटा हो जाता है.
Yes,
That's why
sir.
this disease is also called the elephantiasis. The name of the pathogen or the worm that is called the filarial worm, scientific name Wuchereria bankruptcy. Wuchereria. W-U-C-H-E-R-E-R-I-A. Wuchereria bankruptcy. Okay, scientific name. Acha, can you say what are the developmental characters in Aschelminthes as compared to Platyhelminthes? What are the, as per the evolutionary sequence, what are the improved character in Aschelminthes as compared to the Platyhelminthes? Can you say?
Alimentary canal is complete.
Yes, this is one. Another.
In platyhelminths, the animals generally are acoelomate, but in Aschelminthes or nematodas, they are pseudocoelomate.
False coelom is prepared towards higher organism. Okay, towards higher organism. Another is hermaphrodite. Platyhelminth is hermaphrodite, and it is unisexual. Okay. It is also one of the evolutionary, that means key step of evolution. Okay. So धीरे धीरे क्या हो रहा है, towards higher organism तरफ से जा रहा है. देखो characteristics ही पता होता है जो कैसे body develop होते जा रहा है, और ये towards the higher organism. जितना आगे बढ़ोगे phylum उतना उसका that means developmental character मिलेगा. Okay. Example तो हो गया. Now Ascaris के बारे में. Ascaris एक तो round one, you have heard the name. Scientific name Ascaris lumbricoides. it also mainly found in our alimentary canal, and each and every person somehow, that means eschar is present more or less intestine of the all human beings. Okay, but sometimes if the intensity is more, then it creates problem, particularly in case of the children and जो babies और infant up to 5 to 6 years होता है, उसको एनस में हमेशा क्या होता है ना, एस्करिस पाया जाता है, व्हाइट कलर का होता है, छोटा छोटा कीड़ा जैसा है उसके एनस में. क्यों उस समय उसको होता है? एनस में दे आर कमिंग, that means female ascaris comes for laying of the eggs. Okay, the human anus is most suitable place for the laying of the eggs in case of the ascaris. That's why the children up to infant stage, they face the problem that उस समय क्या होता है ना, उसको कीड़ा मारने का जो नो वार्म एक टैबलेट आता है, जिसका ये है दिया जाता है, कभी कभी यार सस्पेंशन भी दिया जाता है, ओरल बच्चा अगर छोटा है उसको ओरल सस्पेंशन दिया जाता है. जितना कीड़ा मारने का मेडिसिन होता है, दैट मीन्स वर्म, दैट मीन्स एंटी वर्म जो होता है, बच्चों को ज्यादा दिया जाता है. होता है कि नहीं? हेलो.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. तो जनरली ये होता है बच्चों में एस्करिस का ज्यादा इसमें इंटेंसिटी देखा जाता है. ह्यूमन बींग्स जब धीरे धीरे बढ़ते हैं तो उसमें ऊपर क्या होता है ना, बॉडी में रेजिस्टेंस पावर होता है और जनरली अपना इम्यूनिटी पावर बॉडी में धीरे धीरे डेवलपमेंट हो जाता है. जनरली इम्यूनिटी पावर इंक्रीजेस, दैट्स व्हाई ह्यूमन बींग्स दे कैन फाइट अगेंस्ट द सो मेनी डिजीजेस. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन, फाइलम एनालिडा. Phylum Annelida. Phylum Annelida. Annelida, A-double-N-E-L-I-D-A. Annelida. Phylum Annelida.
स्पेलिंग फिर से बोल देते एक बार सर.
A-double-N-E-L-I-D-A. Annelida. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Another information I am giving regarding ascaris, the lowest number of chromosome. Okay, lowest number of chromosome ascaris, इसमें 2 ही क्रोमोसोम होता है. ठीक है, 2 क्रोमोसोम the cell, lowest number of chromosome. highest number of chromosome एक प्लांट सेल में होता है, पता है आपको? highest number of chromosome एक सेल में 1260 क्रोमोसोम. ऑफियोग्लोसम एक टेरिडोफाइट, याद रखोगे टेरिडोफाइट, एनसीईआरटी बुक में नहीं होगा, बट ऑफियोग्लोसम OPHIOGLOSSUM, ऑफियोग्लोसम a type of pteridophyte. Ophioglossum, you will remember, ophioglossum having highest number of chromosome, एक सेल में 1260.
PHIOGLOSSUM. PHIOGLOSSUM.
1260 chromosome in a cell.
Sir, please
Can
repeat
you
this.
imagine it? Can you imagine it? Cell which is that means not able to see naked eye. जब भी सेल को देखना है हम लोग माइक्रोस्कोप में देखते हैं, लेकिन उस सेल के अंदर में 12, एक सेल के अंदर में 1260 क्रोमोसोम होता है. ओके, कैन यू इमेजिन इट? तो प्लांट कितना है? टेरिडोफाइट प्लांट के हाइट कितना है? टेरिडोफाइट प्लांट, दैट मींस यस, राइट आंसर, ऑल ऑफ यू ग्लोसम, SSUM, ऑफियोग्लोसम. And you know that ophioglossum having highest number of chromosome, and can you imagine the height of the plant 2 inches, height of the plant 2 inch.
Very
Can you
short.
imagine height of the plant pteridophyte 2 inch, not more than 2 inches. Okay. But in
Yes,
a single cell, the number of chromosomes 1260. Can you imagine it? So this is the information regarding while teaching so many, बीच बीच में हमको भी याद आ जाता है, कभी कभी लिंक हो जाता है, तो ये सब नोट करके रखोगे, ठीक है? ये सब नोट इंफॉर्मेटिव है,
Sir, we have noted.
हाँ, note it.
Noted.
Ascaris, lowest number of chromosome. Ophioglossum, highest number of chromosome. Okay. In human cell, how many chromosome? In a single cell?
Sir, 46, 23 pair.
23 pairs, sir.
21,
46 chromosome. When it forms the gamete, male gamete and female gamete, then it forms the 23 chromosome. Okay. But in generally, in somatic cell, 46 chromosome in each cell. Okay, you'll remember it. Next one, Annelida. Write down the characteristics. Animals are aquatic. Aquatic or terrestrial. Animals are aquatic or terrestrial. Aquatic or terrestrial. Aquatic or terrestrial. Mostly they are free living. Mostly they are free living. And some are parasitic. Parasitic. Next one. They show organ system level of organization. They show organ system level of organization. Body bilaterally symmetrical. Body bilaterally symmetrical. Bilaterally symmetrical and triploblastic. Triploblastic. Next point. Body is segmented. Body is segmented. And if body is segmented, why it is, then another name is given. What is the name? The phenomenon is known as
Metamerism.
metamerism. Metamerism,
Yes, sir.
segmented or metamerism.
Yes,
Metamerism.
sir.
Metamerism.
Next one, it has true coelom. It has true coelom. देखिए धीरे धीरे इम्प्रूवमेंट हो रहा है. Pseudocoelom, then coelom. The body has true coelom. Next one, locomotion takes place by triangular appendages known as parapodia. P-A-R-A-P-O-D-I-A. Parapodia. Parapodia present in neris. Bracket में लिखोगे neris. N-E-R-E-I-S. neris. एक particular ये है Annelida. neris. N-E-R-E-I-S. neris. Parapodia. Presence of parapodia. But in earthworm, can you say what is the locomotory organ? Hello?
Yes, sir.
What is the locomotory organ? Setae. S-E-T-A-E. In earthworm, locomotory organ is setae. S-E-T-A-E. Setae. Next one. Presence of closed circulatory system. Presence of closed circulatory system. Presence of closed circulatory system. Next one. Respiration takes place through the moist skin. Respiration takes place through the moist skin. respiration takes place through the moist skin.
सर क्यूटेनियस स्किन नहीं हो सकता है
हैं?
सर क्यूटेनियस स्किन नहीं होगा मॉइस्ट स्किन होगा
Cutaneous बोल सकता है cutaneous और moist skin. Next one, nephridia is the excretory organ. Nephridia is the excretory organ. Nephridia is the excretory organ. Next one, nervous system consists of ganglia. Nervous system consists of ganglia. Ganglia. Ganglia means, what do you mean by ganglia?
lateral
Ganglia
nerves
means nerve net. So many nerves, whenever joined together, it form a net-like structure that is known as ganglia. Okay.
रिलायमेंट पॉइंट हो गया सर, और कितना?
Nervous system consists of ganglia. Next one, animals are bisexual. Animals are bisexual. Bisexual means
sexes are separated
Both male.
hermaphrodite.
Both male and female
Single
sexual in a
body.
single organism.
Are dioecious. Earthworm is bisexual, that is monoecious. Or in case of the Nereis, it is unisexual. Okay, Nereis unisexual, but earthworm bisexual. Okay,
yes sir
you remember, bisexual, earthworm is bisexual, and Nereis is unisexual. Example,
earthworm
earthworm,
leech
and another is leech. Leech, scientific name of leech, can you say?
hirudinaria
Hirudinaria. Very good. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Hirudinaria. Whenever कभी लीच कभी किसी को काटा है, ऐसा कोई सिचुएशन आया है?
नहीं सर।
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
ये क्या होता है ना, ब्लड तो एंटीक्लोटिक उसमें ऐड कर देता है, इसीलिए क्या होता है, उस कटने के बाद ब्लड गिरता नहीं, वो पूरा साक कर लेता है, उसमें हिरुडिन एक केमिकल होता है, इसीलिए उसका नाम है हिरुडिनेरिया। वो केमिकल जब ऐड कर देता है ब्लड में, ब्लड क्लॉटिंग नहीं होता है, क्लॉटिंग हो जाएगा, उसके लिए साक करना डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा, ठीक है। एंटी क्लॉटिंग सब्सटेंस ऐड कर देता है जिसका नाम है हिरुडिन। Okay, when they suck the blood of any person or any animal, then they add one anti-clotting substance in the blood, that is called hirudin, by means of which the blood overflows. Our blood, whenever come outside the body, of the tendency to clot, बाहर आता है तो blood जमने का उसका tendency होता है ना?
Yes, sir. Heparin के कारण. Heparin के कारण anticoagulant काम करता है.
Yes.
काम नहीं करता है, heparin